Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube playlist into YouTube app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to come over here in the use section. If you're using a mobile phone, you will find over here library. So if you click on that, you will get the history and the playlist over here. You can see. So if you found the playlist over here, you can click on view all and your all playlist will be open. But if you're using YouTube in Google Chrome, then you just need to come over. You just need to come over this three vertical line option over here. And then here you just need to come over the section called playlist in the left side. So click on that. And you can see you just do the same with the previous system. So after all coming on playlist, I just want to delete this example. So if you now click on this three horizontal line, so if you now click on these three horizontal line and if you click on delete, the playlist will be deleted. If you just go to playlist right now, and now you can see the playlist is deleted from your YouTube. So this is how you can delete YouTube playlist from YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.